Hey everyone, welcome from the Dead Sea, Jordan. The Dead Sea, named by the ancient Romans, is strategically located between Israel, Palestine, and where I am today, Jordan. It is almost 3 million years old, and it is the lowest point on Earth, 1,388 feet below sea level. It is fed by the waters of the River Jordan. The water is so salty, 8 to 10 times the ocean salt, that no fish or plants live in its mineral-rich waters. If you plan to visit, be aware you're required to stay at a resort to be able to swim. I stayed at the Marriott. There are extra checkpoints and security due to the location. So when you float from Jordan, you look straight ahead and you will see the West Bank on your right and Jerusalem to your left. A surreal feeling. Today, the Dead Sea is evaporating because both Israel and Jordan extract water for its minerals, and it is disappearing at a rate of 1 yard every year, creating sinkholes on land, making it very dangerous. And some experts are saying by 2050, the Dead Sea will dry up. Now, I had so much fun floating in the water. You first take a dip, then you get out, you scrub some mud on yourself, and go back in to take the mud off, and your skin is so soft. Wow. Then you head to the adult pool and chill for the rest of the day. My skin is so soft. It is a wild experience to put your body into the Dead Sea, which is the lowest point on Earth, and right away you're floating. If you sort of take your body forward, you sort of flip over, so you have to sort of stay on your back the whole time. It's pretty damn cool. I loved Jordan, and I hope you can make it here and create these memories for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share as I travel to every country in the world and climb the 7 summits. Remember, today is a gift, tomorrow is not guaranteed. Make every day count.